Hi children, welcome back to the online classes. In the previous classes, means in the offline classes, we learnt about the lesson Journey to the Top, about Bachendri Pal and her success towards climbing mountain. So how much she was interested to climb the mountain or in the course of mountaineering, and how she gets success in our achievement. So everything we learnt in that lesson, and also we started to write the question answer part. So may I think you all completed some of the questions and many other questions are remaining, I think. So I will send all the question answers once again through the PDF file, children. So today let us start the textbook activities of the same lesson, so that you all should open the textbook page number 96. Page number 96. We have a vocabulary part in that page, children. V1 main. The following are the meanings of words that you have read. Find out the words from the text and fill in the blanks. So we already read the same in that lesson, but now we have to identify that particular word for that sentence, for that particular sentence, and then we have to complete this activity. Okay, here is a clue they given to us, children. One example they given here: after a period of time or delay. So it's just like one word answer questions. Means they given a sentence, we will write in one word for that sentence. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಯೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಲೇ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್. In that lesson, para first, we have that particular word what we need to complete this activity or this sentence, that should be in para 1, so that we can reread that para 1 and then identify that particular word to complete this. So already they given here that answer is eventually. Similarly, we will complete the other sentences. Okay. First one, the highest point of a mountain. So, for this sentence, which word we need, that should be in para 7. They given that clue here itself. So, we will go back to the para 7 and then read that paragraph, and you can identify which word is suitable for the highest point of a mountain. It's just like a meaning of the word, or we have to identify the particular word for that sentence. So what is the answer for this, children? Hope you all know that the highest point of the mountain, that is called Sagarmatha. Yes, right. We have in that we have that word in the page 95, paragraph 7. Paragraph 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. Bachendri conquered the summit of Sagarmatha. Summit of Sagarmatha. Sagarmatha, it's nothing but the top of the mountain, or the highest peak, highest point of a mountain. So which is the first one? V1 mainly. First one, the answer is Sagarmatha. Already they given first letter of that word in the textbook itself. So it's easy to identify that word, right children? Yes. So the next is an experienced and trusted advisor. An experienced and trusted advisor who advises us to achieve something, or who tutored us to achieve something. So it begins with yam. So that word should be in the para 5. So which is that? Yes, you all know that. Yam means who advised us to achieve us. So what we call them? Leader or mentor. So the word begins with yam. So that word is mentor. The second one is mentor. Next, third one, a mass of snow or ice tumbling rapidly down a mountain. So this word begins with ye, and also that word should be in the para 7. So we can identify that word in the para 7 again in the page 95. So that word indicates or it reflects a mass of snow and ice. Imagine that, a mass of snow and ice tumbling rapidly down a mountain. That is called. Shall we read that para once? Are you able to identify that word, children? A mass of snow. Go back to page number 95. In the right side of para 7, they given the word and their meaning. In that space only we come to know that word. That word is called avalanche. Avalanche means a mass of snow and ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain. It means avalanche. So the answer is avalanche. Next one. A personal account of one's own life. A personal account of one's own life. It is in para 9. So ಅವರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Or it should be in the para 9, that is page 96, para 9. In the second line we have Bachendri Pal has put together all her experiences of mountaineering in her autobiography. Autobiography, it indicates a personal account of one's own life. So the answer is autobiography. The last one is a journey or a voyage for a particular purpose, especially exploration, scientific research or war. What do we call that? Exploration or journey. A journey or a voyage for a particular purpose, especially exploration or research something, or scientific research of or war, in the time of war. That journey is called as expedition. It is in para 6, children. If you want to know that, you can go back to paragraph 6 in the page 95. So you can read that paragraph and you come to know that word expedition. Expedition. Okay, will you complete this? Hope you have completed. Then next we will go with the second main, means V2 main. Pick out the words from paragraph 2, from paragraph 2. It means second paragraph. We have to pick some words which describes Bachendri Pal. Means we need to search some describing words about Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ 2 ಅಗೇನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ and then you come to know the describing words of Bachendri Pal. But already they given one word to us, that is rebellious. V2, first one. Rebellious. Already they given children. So another 3 words, 3 describing words we need to search or we have to identify from that paragraph. So once shall we read this? Always a rebellious child, Bachendri loved wandering in the snow-clad Gharwal Himalayas. Who is the rebellious child in that para? That is nothing but Bachendri Pal. So rebellious is the describing word to Bachendri Pal. She dreamt of flying in aeroplanes and meeting famous people, and this always amused her family. This always very happy to her family. She was an active child and did well in her studies. Who is the active child here? Again is nothing but Bachendri Pal. So here we come to know one of the describing word towards Bachendri Pal, that is active. How she was? She was very active in her studies and other activities. Then the next word, she excelled in sports too. She was independent and fearless. Do you come to know that point, children? Yes, another 2 describing words we have in this line only. So who is independent in this paragraph, or who is independent here? That is nothing but Bachendri Pal. And who was fearless? Again the same, Bachendri Pal. She was very courageous girl or very courageous child from her childhood, and also she was independent. It means always she was actively participate in every work, and she wants to work hard to get success in her life, what she wanted to achieve. So these 2 words are indicates or it refers the describing words of Bachendri Pal. Independent and also fearless. Fearless means very courageous. So we got all the 4 words, 4 describing words of Bachendri Pal. Next, work in pair. Write 3 words which describes you and your friend. It is your assessment, children. You have to do it yourself along with your friends. Okay. Next is C2 main, that is answer the following question. I will send it through the PDF file. And similarly, some other textbook activities we have, that should be in the page 99. All of you open that page number 99. G4 main. Add a prefix and make the word mean the opposite. We all know that what is prefix. Prefix means we need to add some letters or syllable before or the beginning of the word. Similarly, you have to add some letters in the beginning of the given words and make them as opposite of the same. Will you do this, children? It is also one of your homework. You can do it, but afterwards I will send it in the notes. Okay, you can correct it afterwards. Whatever you did, it's right or wrong, you can cross check yourself after sending the notes. Okay, another activities we will do it in the next class, children. Thank you.